lot of Markforged customers are also SolidWorks customers. They've got their SolidWorks designs and end up using Markforged to make those a reality. CAD Micro experts really help that rubber hit the road, give real life examples on how to use it.
A great event, very professional, very well attended, which is fantastic. 11 out of 10.
The launch event was really good. It was super informative. The detailing mode in 2020 is what we're really looking forward to the most, I would say. A lot of cool stuff. You guys have a lot of toys here.
This is really great for 3D printing. It's pretty much, I think it actually is made for us. At the 2020 launch with CAD Micro and saw all the latest things, it was taking lots of notes of things I need to go learn about and go try. I think this launch is fantastic. It was nice to speak to that crowd, really engaged. Some good manufacturing questions. CAD designer to get a part in their hand quickly is just, it's so much easier now.
"2020 looks really exciting to use. If I am given a chance, I'd love to come back again."
The first time that I'm here at the launch event, it's a nice environment actually. There's a lot of different people with different backgrounds that all use the same software, coming together and discussing the latest, the next best things. The thing that I was the most astonished about is the abilities of MBD. Like, I'm looking forward to the after hours beer and chat with everybody and to see everybody's interest in and discussions.